Okay, welcome to our channel Tutorial Guru again. Hope you're doing fine. I'm back with another tutorial video, and today I'll be showing you how to log into your Directv account from your computer. And now without further ado, let's dive right into the video. But before that, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Now to log into your Directv account from your computer, first open up your preferred browser, as I have already opened the Google Chrome, and in the search bar click over there and type in directv.co like this and hit enter. And after that, you'll be redirected to the home page of Directv itself, whereas on the top right corner of the screen you can see the sign in button available over here. Click on sign in, and now to log into your Directv account, here you will need to either choose the What's Now or the account overview option available. For us it will be the What's Now. Let's click on What's Now, and of that you can see the sign into Directv page open over here, and you'll be required to enter your user ID over here, and of that enter your password over here, and then click on sign into log into your Directv account. Or if you have not yet created an account on Directv, you can see the create one now option available over here. Click on create one now to go through a procedure to create an account on Directv. And there, guys, this is how you log into your Directv account. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, don't hesitate to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.